Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com. You welcome back for another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week as we enter the two most important weeks for this earnings season. Like, subscribe and stay with me for the rest of the video. We'll go over my top stocks to watch for the coming week on the weekly and on the daily. These stocks, as you all know, I'm going over 500 stocks each and every weekend, and now I have the Fibonacci Traders indicator version 3, or by its official name, the FTI version 3. This is what you see on the chart. This is without the FTI version 3, and this is how it looks with the FTI version 3. It helps me greatly. I don't need to think. I see a setup, I see trend lines, I see Fibonacci breaking above a Fibonacci level, and now Adobe, we can continue as long as we are above this yellow zone. This yellow zone is a very important area of support and resistance on the FTI. And once we go over, if we did not went long on this doji, we got ourselves a nice buy signal, downtrend, doji, and on the next candle, after the doji, we got a trend reversal, we got a buy signal, and now we're also above the yellow zone. So we have a buy signal above yellow zone. Overall, also on the weekly, we have trend lines. It works also on the weekly. Nothing. And now we have the FTI version 3. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the future of technical analysis. Everything you want, everything that you need. Years and years I've spent searching for the right tool to help me identify setups and manage my emotions. And here we are. After years of searching, and of course I did not find anything, so I went and develop it myself. I'm not a script writer, but I used professionals to help me get all my ideas on the Pine script for TradingView. Hours and hours of development, weeks, months of development, a lot of money poured in, and now we have the ultimate tool. This is the tool that will help you identify the trends on the weekly, on the daily, on day trading, on any time frame, and everything that you want to trade. And it helps because we have ALLY, buy signal, uptrend, above the yellow zone. Now we need only to see continuation above the 35.90, and then the next will be the 35.90, and then sorry, the 39.50, and then 44 to the upside. Everything that you need. AMAT, same thing. All you need to do is put on the FTI version 3. This is not the first version. This is not even it's called the FTI version 3, but it's basically version 30 something. I stopped counting. It was Fibonacci Traders indicator. It was a very long name. Then we changed it to the FTI, and since we changed it to the FTI, it's FTI version 3. You have everything. You have automation for trend lines. You have automation for the Fibonacci levels. And you have automation for the risk management. This white line that you see here is your risk management, aka your stop loss. On the weekly, on the daily, you want to go to the 15 minutes and trade AMAT on the 15 minutes. There you have it. It adjusted itself. On the Fibonacci levels, according to the 15 minutes, the trend lines according to the 15 minutes, the buy-sell signals, and your risk management. This is your risk management. This is your line of stop loss. You don't need to think, where should I go? Where should I buy? What should I do with my risk management? Everything under one roof. After years of searching, it's finally here. Version 3. It gives you everything. ARM. Uptrend. Look at this. Every time price touch this lower band of this uptrend, we got ourselves a buy signal. Now let's see continuation above the 79 and we will meet 83 and 90 to the upside. We got ourselves a signal. Also over here on the weekly. So everything is set and go for long on ARM. Look at this. The beauty of this indicator. It's not your normal indicator, because any indicator that you will put on your chart, any indicator, choose randomly one, boom, up, down, volume. What that gives you? Nothing. Same thing as volume. Let's see something that we can get on the chart itself. Let's see, stochastic, no, none. Vortex. Everything follows price, right? This also ends where price ends. VWAP also ends where price ends. But I know where price ends. I don't need indicators or random lines. What else do you want? More. Let's see. More. Random. Stop. Here. Directional movement index. So many indicators. And all of them, without any exceptions, all of them are lagging behind price. Look at this. Put your normal SMA. Any SMA you want, you can put on the chart. Any. You want, which one you want? You want, we can do the 50. Lagging behind price, right? It doesn't hold anything. Doesn't hold support. Doesn't hold resistance. Now you need to look. Maybe the 100. Maybe with the 100, nothing. Maybe the 20. Let's check the 20. Does it hold support and resistance? All the way up, it will throw you away. It would have thrown you here, but you're already here. So any indicator, all the indicators you see in this library, they are all lagging behind price. Everything. So by definition, all the strategies based on these indicators are lagging. But now you have the FTI version 3 Fibonacci-Traders indicator, where price follows the indicator. This is the definition of an indicator. It needs to indicate where price might be heading next, not where price came from. I know to look left. I know that CRDO came from 13, now it's 21. Why I need all those lines? I have the FTI version 3. It shows me the direction of the price, all the levels to the upside, all the levels to the downside. It shows me my risk management. And if I took CRDO last Friday, my risk management should be just below, just here. You see this small line? The buy signal, small line? And if you were short, your stop was here. It threw you out perfectly. Up to 80% accuracy. You heard me right. I put my name on it. Up to 80% accuracy on any time frame. Day trading, swing trading, long or short. Look at this. It gives you everything that you want. DOCS, DOCS, uptrend, above the buy signal. Now on the daily, DOCS looks like this. Continuation, where price might be heading next. No need to break our head. We are above a buy signal on the daily, above the buy signal on the weekly. Now, if we want, continuation above the 30.55, next resistance, we have this trend line together with the next Fibonacci to the upside, 32 58. And once you get in a position, you don't need to think too much where to put your stop loss. You have the white line. This is your stop loss. If it says 29, this is where your stop loss is, 29. You don't need to think. We want to resemble as much as we can to all these big, monstrous algos, big computers that runs the market. They don't think. Computers don't think. They act. They act and react. This is what we need to do as traders. Act, react, act, react, act, react. Once we start thinking too much, that's it. We are doomed as traders. Think less, act more, react more. This is why the Fibonacci indicator version 3 is now available. First month, $59. Only $59. Now think about it. One trade. And if you join our Discord, you will also see that on our Discord, the Fibonacci Traders Discord, the Fibonacci Traders Elite team that is growing each and every day for day trading and swing trading. You can see here all the rooms that we have. We are taking, look at this, PayPal, long, Boeing, long, Netflix, short, SPY on the 15 minutes, SPY on the 65. We trade the futures and we are making some nice money. Tesla, everything we trade is according to this FTI version 3. So just imagine you take one trade from all these 4 or 5 day trading ideas I've been posting in the premium room, one trade, and then you have it. A yearly worth of subscription in only one trade. And you can do it by yourself because you will have access for the FTI, the Fibonacci Traders indicator. We will open a special room, a special channel for the FTI users because not all premium members, not all gold members have the access for the FTI version 3. If you want to gain access, check the links in the first comment and you can get your access now. Special launch price, only $59 for the first month. ESTC, another great setup that the FTI version 3 gave me. Long continuation above. You see, we are above buy signal on the daily, buy signal on the weekly, above a trend line. Now all we need is continuation above the 120, and then we will see 133. Also here on the weekly, above 121 on the weekly, we will see 140. IBM, another perfect setup to go long. Of course, perfect in my opinion. Everything you see and hear is my opinion only. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you do, you need to do your own due diligence, which is very, very hard. Very hard. First, to be a trader is a very lonely job. Very lonely. You have no one to talk to. And if you talk to someone, 99% chance that someone doesn't even understand what you're talking about. So first, join the Fibonacci Traders Elite Team Discord. You will have same mindset traders. We grow, we help each other grow, we share ideas, we help each other. We support each other. So first, join us. Then, if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, almost without any emotions, you need this. You need the FTI version 3. IBM, buy signal off a trend line. Look at this, trend line, buy signal, trend line, buy signal. Above the yellow zone, above another trend line, we are above a buy signal on the daily, above a buy signal on the weekly. Next, let's adjust a little bit. We can adjust the trend lines a little bit, so we'll get a wider point of view. Next will be the 183 on the weekly. MRVL, Marvel Technologies, we took long last Friday. Why? Because we broke above this area. This area, very tough. It was a very tough resistance. Now broke above this area, the 65, as you can see. Fibonacci gives it to us. Now long continuation above the 71. Next will be the 78 and 86. Why do you need the FTI version 3? Because the FTI version 3 will help you become less emotional with your tradings. You will get better point of view. It will help you see setups that until now you did not see. It will help you decide, is it good to go long? Is it good to go short? And if I'm already long or short, where should I put my stop loss? Look at PayPal. We took PayPal day trading last Friday. We made some nice money. You're more than welcome to join our Discord and see the members' gains over there. Now, PayPal, uptrend. Now let's see breaking above it. We are above a buy signal on the daily, above a buy signal on the weekly, continuation above the 66, and then we will see 76 to the upside. PayPal for now long above the 65, and then we will see 72 and maybe back to 82. So the FTI version 3 is here. If you want to join the elite team of traders, the Fibonacci Traders elite team, join our Discord, join the Fibonacci Traders indicator users, and become a part of our elite trading group, and you will become an elite trader yourself. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. We are going live every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, pre-market preparations. Until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend.